Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about NBKC Bank, a relatively new player in the banking industry. Specifically, we'll be diving into the minimum balance requirements for their various accounts. But before we get into that, let's take a step back and talk about why minimum balances matter. Think of it like this: banks have to make money to stay in business, and one way they do that is by charging fees. These fees can include things like monthly service charges, overdraft fees, and ATM fees. Minimum balances are one way that banks try to discourage customers from incurring these fees. By requiring a certain amount of money to be kept in the account, the bank can be more confident that the customer will have enough funds to cover their expenses. So, now that we understand why minimum balances are important, let's get back to NBKC Bank. What are the minimum balance requirements for NBKC Bank accounts? The good news is that NBKC Bank has no minimum balance requirements for any of their checking or savings accounts. This means that you can open an account with as little money as you want, and there is no risk of getting hit with a fee for not maintaining a certain balance. What are the other benefits of banking with NBKC Bank? In addition to having no minimum balance requirements, NBKC Bank also offers a number of other benefits, such as high interest rates on savings accounts, no monthly service fees, free online and mobile banking, competitive overdraft protection, early access to direct deposits. Is NBKC Bank right for you? If you're looking for a bank that offers competitive interest rates, no minimum balance requirements, and a variety of other benefits, then NBKC Bank may be a good option for you. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of all your options before choosing a bank. In conclusion, NBKC Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a bank with no minimum balance requirements and competitive interest rates. If you're considering opening an account with NBKC Bank, be sure to do your research and compare them to other banks to see if they're the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.